Kevin Wong, go inside, please, Kevin.
Hey,
what's up,
hey,
hey, what's going on, Floyd?
Hey, what's going on?
Happy birthday, man.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hey, Floyd, if you were born...
No. That's not the only thing I got. I'm about to post what else I got.
Oh,
What did you get?
A new PJ, a new private jet.
oh. What kind? What kind?
Man. G6?
It's got TMT wrap on it yet?
We call that a G Mayweather. You know, Air Mayweather. No matter what it is, it's always Air Mayweather.
New PJ. Which airport are you going to fly out of first?
Clay Lacey.
Oh, okay. Hey, have a good night in there, folks. Hey, Floyd, do you think if you only have one arm, you would still manifest this life and success? You'd find a way to do it? Or
Man, I'll be cold-blooded with one arm. I'll be cold-blooded with two arms. And please get the necklaces for the ladies and gentlemen.
We got to zoom in, man.
You know?
I've only seen CZs like that before.
Oh, no, these ain't no armor, man.
I should have worn sunglasses.
You already know, ain't no CZs.
Hey, happy birthday, Floyd.
Thank you.
You're the best.